In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pictory to create a video that I am going to then incorporate into a longer training video for YouTube. So I start off with the home page, and I'm going to go to the script to video and click on the proceed button. Then I simply paste my text into this, and I'm going to give the video a name. Then I'm going to click on proceed, and then I need to choose a template. So you can choose any of these templates. I am going to go with, let's go with the Pictory default. And I can choose the sizes of my video. For YouTube, this is the size that you need, 16 by 9, which is horizontal. Right now it is putting my video storyboard together. It's done. It's right here. So now what I need to do is I just need to do some editing. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, you can see down at the bottom, it's got all these different scenes and each one has a different picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the Visuals tab. I'm going to click on there, and I've already have artificial intelligence images that are showing up. These are little like story blocks that'll play in the background. And I'm going to go with this one, the AI story blocks. So when I click on it, I just need to wait for it to pop up over here. And once I see that, then I can click Apply Visual to All. And then you should see, when it's done, all the images changed down at the bottom because I told it to apply to all. Right, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the Audio tab because it defaults to having music for your video. And so I don't want that. Instead, I want to use a voiceover because I want it to read the text on each of these slides. So I typically use Ava, but you can test any of these just simply by clicking on the little arrow.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion.
Just to see what it sounds like, and then I'm going to scroll right and I'm going to say apply. And now it has applied that. So then if I wanted to come and change any of the text, colors, or anything like that, I certainly could do that. I can add in branding information. So you just click on each of these. And then I don't need an intro or an outro because I'm putting this into the middle of another video. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say preview. And it is going to prepare a preview for us. And that is the video. So now if I wanted to go back and I wanted to take out some of the little bullets, so if I wanted to get rid of the A, I simply just come in here and click on the scene. I don't have to go back to the original spot where I pasted that content. So now what I'm going to do is just I'm going to go through each of these slides. I'm going to get rid of the A's and the B's. I think I have this tweaked exactly how I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and preview it again and wait for my video preview to come through and make sure that I got all of the A's, B's, and C's taken out of there. And then we will go ahead and download it. Okay, so now that I have received my preview and I have made the edits that I want, I'm just going to go ahead and click on download video. And it is going to go ahead and start processing that video. So that is it for Pictory.ai.